This is a voiceover because you can't hear me as I'm in the ward and couldn't speak loud on my mobile phone. In the book of Psalms I would like to read, I will thank you, Lord, with all my heart. I will sing praises to your name, O Most High. Through prayer we praise our mighty God. Foremost, thank you, Lord, for all your help over FEWOKS. We thank you, friends, family, relatives, churches around the world. Thank you for your support in way of prayer, texts, emails, and also your support in Mum and Dom and Letua. May God bless you. It's the 6th of December 2007. FEWOKS is there. He's been taken out of the ICU, as I told you. These are the restraints that they tie him down now. As each day goes past and he gains strength and confidence, he's been ripping out the IVs and the trachea which is in his throat. He's asleep right now, but he's looking a lot better than he did previously. His left side to his head, as you see, it's shaven. It's because the bone is still out, and if you see a bigger, you can see the swelling actually come out of the swelling to his right. Oh, well, to us it's the left side, but his right side of the head. FEWOKS is coming along quite well. He's not out of the red yet. His brain is still swollen, and it just needs time for it to come down. So once the swelling comes down, they'll put back the bone that to the head under the skin. These are some of the posters that some kids made. His son and my kids, Saj, Sunny the Second, and Lilo made. But we would like to, on behalf of Mum and FEWOKS, Dom and Letua, the sons, extend a real massive whawhite tele lava mo lau tuanga lei lau tu alofa and everything. Thank you for your prayers, your emails, your texts. Ia whamriere tua ti o soifua mamanuia.